Hi there, is your iPhone constantly warning you about storage running out? Stop deleting your precious videos and your other stuff. This is Tech Spiral, and in this video, I will show you how to easily compress videos on your iPhone and free up gigabytes of space while keeping your memory safe. Get it? So now, we will look at changing camera settings to record smaller files, plus free apps you can use to shrink existing videos. Stick around and you will never have to stress about storage again. Now, let's jump in. First, let's look at your camera settings. By looking at a lower resolution like 1080 pixels instead of 4K pixels and lowering the frame rate from 60 to 30 frame rates per second, you can dramatically reduce the size of your videos without a huge loss in quality. Let me show you exactly where to find these options on your iPhone. Change your video recording settings on your iPhone. Start by opening the Settings app. Scroll down and tap on Camera. Then choose Record Video. Here, you will see several options. If it's currently set to 4K at 60 frames per second as on mine, go ahead and switch it to 1080 pixels at 30 frames per second. This will make your video files much smaller, saving a lot of storage while keeping great video quality of most people. Once you've made the change, you're good to go. Okay, now let's talk about videos you've already recorded. There are free apps you can download from the App Store like Compress Video and Resize Video. And that is actually what we are going to talk about. So, to get started, on your home screen of your iPhone, you click on the App Store application or you go to App Store. Then on the search bar of the App Store, you type Compress Video and Resize Video. On the window that appears after typing Compress Video and Resize Video, you scroll down and you look for the rightful application. After finding Compress Video and Resize Video, tap on it to open a new window. And now, on the new window that appears, you tap on Get to download application. Now, after you are done with the downloading and the installation, you tap on the Open that appears to send you to a different window of the application you have downloaded. You have a pane to select from Limit Access, Full Access, and Don't Allow. You would have to go in for Allow Full Access. Now, watch closely the video and I will show you how it is done.
Download Second Number app. Open Second Number.